welcome back to the channel where I will help you simplify WooCommerce customization one step at a time. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a $10 discount or any amount you want to every product after the first one in your WooCommerce cart. So if you have been scratching your head trying to figure this out, don't worry, I've got your back. So we are going to do this using a simple clean code snippet that's easy to apply and works like magic. Okay, stick around because I'll also explain how you can tweak it for your specific use cases, for example. So let's get started. So here in front of you, I'm just giving you a quick demo of what I have. So let me quickly show you my setup here. So I've got local website set up using local by Flywheel. This is a software called local by Flywheel, and I'm running 2024 theme, as you can see right now over here, a fresh WordPress theme, and I've also installed Elementor page builder. And because we all love its flexibilities, and finally I've got WooCommerce installed. You can see it, and we have few dummy products added, so we can see this discount thing that I will show you in action. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I want you to go on your website and install a plugin. So we're gonna go over here, and we're going to write WPCode over here. Okay, so I've already started. So here's the thing: if you're comfortable working with your theme files, you can also add this snippet directly to your theme's functions.php file. But I always recommend using a plugin like WPCode, and you can also use code snippet. This is also a good one. But WPCode is rather cleaner, safer, and future-proof, especially if you want to update your theme. If you write it in your functions.php file, so it's kind of risky if you don't have a child theme, and any update that comes along, it will just flush out the code that you have written on top of it. Okay, so just install WPCode. Once you've installed it, just click on this activate button and just hop back into the code snippet plugin. Okay, so click on add new, add your custom snippet, select PHP over here and give your code snippet a name. For example, maybe discount after the first product in the cart. Okay, and now I've got the code snippet ready to go, and I'll just paste it in here, and give me a moment. And so yeah, just paste it over here like this, and boom boom, hit save snippet, and there you go. All right, so let's see the magic happen. I'm going to show you some products into the cart. So I'm basically going to add some products in the cart and show you what's going on. Okay, so here we are on the shop page. We have all the products being listed over here. So let's add first product. This is the first product. Let's see over here. So we don't see any discount yet over here. Okay, go back to the shop page and add this product, for example. Yeah, okay, as you can see right now over here, 30 rupees discount for sorry, uh, depending upon the currency that you've set, it will automatically grab that for you. So basically 30 rupees per product. Okay, for second product, if you're going to add one more, for example, if we are going to add, let's say, a third one, for example this one, there are two products in the cart. Okay, so we have three products, and first one is without the discount, and the second one and the third one. So basically two products after the first one. So we have 30 plus 30, we have 60 over here. So basically and so on. You can see the discount applied dynamically, and as we add more products in the cart, how cool is that? You can just click on this plus and minus buttons just to see the interaction. It basically is more than the price of the price of the product actually. So it's like uh, canceling out all the subtotal that we have right now. Let me just change it to 10 for example. Okay, as you can see right now, let's say we have this one product. We don't want to add discount on this, so we have discount on this one, and we are adding these products and 10 per discount. Three products, 3 multiplied by 10, 30, and as we are adding, we are getting discount. Yeah. So I want to address these important things before you go, before basically you wrap this up on your website. Here are a couple of things to keep in mind. First of all, I want to talk about code behavior. This code is simple and work as intended, but depending on your theme or the plugins you have installed, there might be some unexpected behavior. Always test it out on the staging side first of all. And the second thing would be I would like to say that adjusting the discount amount. If you want to change the discount from let's say 10 to 20 or maybe 5, it's super easy. I've already showed you. You can just open the if you can just open this code and you can just look for where it says 10 as you can see right now and change it to whatever value that you want. If you want 5, if you want 30, and if you want 100, anything that you want, just write it over here, click on update, and it will you will just see the changes. And third thing that I want to talk about is custom use cases. For example, this code is quite specific. If you have slightly different requirements, like only apply the discount if you have the cart total is over 100 rupees, $100, for example, or maybe 200 or maybe 300. Or there is another use case, for example, that when you want to apply the discount only to products products that are having the price of over $100, for example, or anything else in between. So drop your questions in the comment section below. I'm here to help you, or even create another video to address your needs. Just let me know. And if you are short on time, if you're short on time and need me to do this for you, no worries, you can just reach me out on the WhatsApp or send me an email. Details are in the description below. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome WooCommerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy coding.